Hey everyone, this is Sarah, the Catholic Homemaker. Today I wanted to talk to you about natural hair care, what I've been doing for a little while now, and the products that I've been using. First of all, welcome everyone to my channel. I would love for you to consider subscribing so we can continue to grow this community. Also, hit the thumbs up button if you love this video, comment below, and share so that this video can be seen by more people. Let me know what you are doing in the comments for your natural hair care routine. So these are the products I've been using on my hair for probably closer to 2 years now. This is the Wellness brand shampoo and conditioner, and I've been really happy with it actually. I'm not affiliated with them in any sort of way. They have very clean ingredients in them. Let's see if the camera picks up on that. You can always look at the ingredients on their website. So I'm almost out of these and I'm actually happy with the products, but I wanted to try something else. And so I'll let you guys know. I don't have one of the bars on hand, but I have one of my homemade tallow body bars. So give me a second. It pretty much looks exactly the same, but I made Marissa's recipe from Bumblebee Apothecary for tallow shampoo bars. This is not the shampoo bar, this is just the body bar. But it looks pretty much the same, like I said. I'm gonna wash my hand, touching the soap. So that's something I want to try out. And my husband made the recipe for me recently. We have like a whole batch. I made like probably this big of a pile of shampoo bars, the whole recipe, and it was very, very affordable. I'm really excited to try it out, but I saw Marissa from Bumblebee Apothecary's recipe on her YouTube channel. You should definitely check out her channel, and her natural hair care routine, and it intrigued me because her hair actually looks pretty good. So I just wanted to try it. So I'll let you guys know what the update on that is. And she also has recipes for natural conditioner. One of them is just apple cider vinegar and water in a bottle. And she said she uses that as a rinse for her hair for conditioner in the shower. But she also has a deep cleaning, or no, 2 other recipes. I think more of like a deep conditioner recipe. And then she has a leave-in conditioner, which is what I want to make because it's just a coconut milk based one. And I think that would work pretty well with my hair. Now, I've tried all kinds of natural shampoos and conditioners before, and even made my own in the past, but I didn't have really great success with it. So I was really intrigued to find out about her shampoo bar recipe and just see how that works. And happy to see that she's reporting good results. And yeah, so I haven't had good results with other natural shampoo recipes. Not great results with other natural commercial shampoos out there. I was really happy with the results with Beauty Counter, but it's not really completely natural. There's phenoxyethanol and some other ingredients in there that I'd rather avoid. So, and then it being an MLM also, I was trying to avoid MLMs as well. So I'll let you guys know an update for that once I start using the shampoo bars and that conditioner, the leave-in conditioner recipe. So my next tip for natural hair care would be to wash your hair less often. And I've heard this from many different hairstylists. They say it's not healthy to wash your hair every single day. They say like minimum you really should be doing it every other day. If you can stretch it out longer, that's even better. Now, I've always tried to stretch it out as long as I can, and for a while it was like 2 times a week. I could get away with maybe like 3-4 days tops, but then my hair would start getting really greasy. And I also have a history of dandruff on my scalp. Now, I have some tips for that on my website that I will try to remember to link below. And so another natural shampoo and conditioner type thing I did before was I did the no poo method, is what it's called. And that's where you take baking soda and you that's like your shampoo. You mix it with water and then you do vinegar. And I found that that was very, very rough on my hair and I didn't get great results. I wasn't able to wash it out all the way really. And so that just wasn't great. And that's how I kind of like went through all different natural ones and then kind of back to more conventional ones like Beauty Counter. And now I've kind of come full circle again. So I'm finding with this, the next tip that I'm going to show you, that I'm able to wash my hair less often. So I've been using this kind of brush for a while, which is called a wet brush. And I first discovered it from my hairdresser a few years back when I was saying that my oldest daughter, her head was like really, her scalp was really sensitive and she just would not let me brush her hair. And she's like, oh, try a wet brush. And so I'll show you guys. This is what I use to, what I've been using just to brush my hair as a detangler. I use it with both my daughters. And it's very good at detangling and it doesn't hurt very much, which I love. So it's really great for little kids. And she was also saying this is something you can use to brush out if your child has curls, because for a while my oldest did have curls and I wanted to keep those curls all pretty and stuff. So then my husband was kind of cluing me into this. He's like, you need to be brushing your hair with this boar bristle brush. I've had this one for several years from Morocco Method and not affiliated with them either, but it's a really great brush. So it's from boar bristles of a boar, and it's not so great at detangling, so that's why I use this one first. But he said, you need to be brushing your hair like 100 times a day. I'm like, I don't have time for that. So I wasn't really listening to him, but he's like, your problem is like you have all this dandruff, and if you just use this brush to just brush your hair out, the oil from your scalp will be distributing down your hair and it would be making it, you'd be able to go longer without washing your hair, and your scalp would be less dry. And so I've been doing that. I've been trying to do that at least twice a day. Maybe not 100 times, but just as much as I can to try to kind of make it smooth. So I'm going like all over and then under my hair. And I try to do that several times. Now it doesn't feel like I have any more tangles left in my hair. And at first I didn't really like the results of this because I was like, it's getting my hair more greasy because my hair, like I already needed a shampoo and I'm like, oh, it's making it more greasy. That's terrible. But the interesting thing that happened was even on a day when it seemed like my hair was getting all greasy, it's like if I gave my hair a couple of minutes, it would start kind of calming down and it would look better. It would look thicker. And I found that since I've been doing that for a couple of weeks, I've been able to go longer than just a few days without washing my hair. So that's really nice to go stretching it out, especially since I don't want to buy any more shampoo and conditioner if I'm going to run out of these and wait for my shampoo bars to cure. So that's been nice. And my hair just feels a lot better. It feels like thicker. It doesn't feel so tangled all the time. And like I said, I've been going longer between washes. So, and I've been doing the same with my girls and their hair is looking better too. So I just wanted to share those tips with you guys, and let me know if you have tried tallow shampoo bars for your hair and conditioner that's coconut milk in it as a base. I would love to hear what your thoughts are on that. And I look forward to hearing from you in the comments, and I hope you have a wonderful week. May God bless you and your family.